So tell me about your day.
It was good.
What movie did you watch?
We watched Alien.
Was it scary?
No. I'm not like hiding a dog in my sock or something, dog.
He thinks you are.
Why are you smelling me like that?
Who played cards? What kind of cards?
Come here. Come here.
What cards did you play?
We played a game where the whole point was that you didn't know any of the rules.
Uh-huh.
So it was like super
Weird.
weird, yeah.
What else did y'all do?
That was about it.
Talk.
We watched the movie and we played the game.
Well, what else did you do? Because you've been there like since 9 o'clock.
Well, and then we went to Second and Charles.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I have made the three of us a hair appointment at 5:30
Today?
in Chester.
Today?
Huh?
Today?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm really young, my puppy, because she's adorable.
So you had a
Goofball?
great time, huh?
Yes.
What did you eat?
Pesto?
What?
Pesto?
At your friend's house?
Yeah.
Linguine pesto?
Hmm?
I mean, pasta.
Oh, no, just pesto.
Did you like it?
Yeah.